What's up guys, in this video I will be showcasing you how to insert the SIM card into the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. So let's begin the video. Now the very first thing which you need to do is to have a SIM ejection tool, which you can find this one on the retail box. Now when holding your Galaxy A37 5G like this, at the bottom right side you will find out the SIM tray outline and a hole within it. You just need to put the SIM ejection tool inside the hole and push a bit. SIM tray will pop up. Gently pull it out. This is the SIM tray. On the top you can insert the SIM 1 and on the back side you can insert the second SIM card. Now unfortunately there is no MicroSD card slot available in the A37 5G. Now if you're planning to add two SIM cards, then insert with the second SIM card first. The reason is simple: if you insert the SIM 1 first, it will fall off when you rotate the SIM tray. Now let's begin the second SIM card. As you can see, the SIM 2 is written here. Take the SIM 2 and place it in here like this. Make sure the contacts are facing up and the notch in the tray and the SIM matches. Once you are done, now rotate the SIM tray. Take the SIM 1 and place it in here in this slot in such a way that the contacts are facing up and the notch in the tray and the SIM matches. Once you are ready, hold the SIM tray like this, in which the SIM 1 is at the top. Insert it into the phone carefully, gently push it and make sure it is properly inserted. Within a few seconds, it will detect the SIM card and redirect you to the SIM card manager page. Here, you can set up the default SIM preferences for calls, messages and mobile data. So guys, that is it in this particular video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year. Peace.